Okay, another day working on the sawmill today. First I got to get these piles of dirt cleaned up that I dug out of the sawdust pit. I've got a real low spot. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. A low spot right here that I'll just spread it out in to build that up a little bit. Well, that looks awesome to have that in there. I'm going to pull this pulley off the back because I'll be tying in directly there from the PTO. And I noticed something really cool here that I previously hadn't noticed. There's an inspection plate there. When I first noticed it, I was hoping it would have a serial number on it, but it doesn't. But at least you can see that it's Corley on it. But things are really looking good as far as having contact with all three surfaces where the bearings are going to go. So those other pieces that I did will go here and cradle these bearings. We'll go underneath that and tie in here and cradle these bearings. And so that was one of the things I was needing to make sure was good, was that there's contact here and there and out on that end, and it looks really good now. So I'll have to get a level and put it on there and see how level we are. So I'm pretty close, but if you can see that bubble in there, I want it a little bit closer. Get it pulled up there. So I don't know, it looks like I might be on this back end here. I need to come up a little bit, so I'm going to get some shims and put in there and see if I can't get everything moved. I'll put some shims under this end of the husk and a few under this, and then hopefully I'll be able to get that up to where it is just absolute perfect. I don't know Doesn't look like it wants to focus. Anyhow, I don't know how you get any better than that. Just getting this back end jacked up a little bit has got me pretty much absolutely perfect. And so what that did was lift this bearing off a little bit. So I'll get some smaller shims and stick under this end of the husk until that comes back up to where it's touching. And then we ought to be level.